How did you do, Stacey? Did you have more luck with?
More luck, yes. Ivy is supposed to be on. I don't know if she's having trouble, but she does have a couple specific questions for you.
That's great. Yes. I will go with today's topic first, and then after that we can move into the questions. Okay.
Sure.
We have Ivy joining. That's great. And Peter has trouble connecting his. Oh, Peter, hi, welcome.
Hello, Brenda. How you doing?
I'm doing great, and you?
I am splendiferous.
Yeah, good. Today we're going to talk about leaderboards. So that's exciting. It's a new feature that, a lot of people have been requesting for leaderboards for a long time. And now we have the first version of leaderboards, which is really fun. And I will teach you today how to put leaderboards in your courses. What's the, like the main goal with leaderboards? We basically want to create some kind of competence between our students, and we want to make it fun. So let me quickly open my help center. There we go. So yeah, basically, like I was saying, the idea is that we create a friendly competition among our students, right? And we also make like a public recognition of their points and their progress, so it can be really fun. It's something that you can add to your courses and make it a little bit more fun. And these leaderboards have been created out of extensive research from Murray and Marisa, and it's thought very well, and hopefully it will help your students to get more involved into your course, because they always want to compete and we always want to win. So that's great. Like I was saying, this is the first time that we create leaderboards, so this is the first version and we are very limited in what we can do, but we are working on on the second version of this, and of course it will become better and better every time. Let's go straight to how we create leaderboards. So let's say that I want to create a leaderboard for my 5-day yoga challenge, right? So you simply open your course and you have to go to the step number 4, which is where you customize your pages. You need to decide here where you want to put your leaderboard. Is it going to be in the single training? Is it going to be in your homepage? You get to decide that, right? So I'm going to put mine in my homepage. You simply click on edit. It will open your page builder. This is what my course looks like, right? The homepage for my course. As usual, on the left side of your screen, you have all the available blocks that we have created for you, and you will find the leaderboard block. This is what the leaderboard block looks like. You simply need to click and drag. Click, drag. I don't want my leaderboard at the top, so I will move it down a little bit. And down one more. There we go. So this is how my homepage will look like. I have my countdown, my welcome. This is how they're going to start the course, and then they will be able to see the leaderboard. How does it work? You have 2 tables, right? This first table will show up all the XPs that your students have collected that day. Okay, so it will be changing every day. And here it will show up all the, the person who reached the most points that day will appear at the top. As you can see, we have, for example, 4 number ones, actually. We have this sample student, and then we have other 3 people who also completed the same amount of points as this person. So we have 4 people who are in the first place, and we have only a person in the place number 2 and 1 person in the place number 3, and so on. The second table shows up the total amount of points that your students have collected over time. So the person who has collected the most points will appear at the top in general, okay? The leaderboards work per course. So only the points that people acquired in this course will be able to show up here in this list. It's really easy, actually. It's just simply clicking and dragging. We don't have many customization options. So if you go and click in edit content, you can edit only a couple things. The first thing is that you can change the title of the leaderboard. So instead of calling it leaderboards, you can call it something else that you prefer to call them.
Ranking.
Yes, Peter.
I was saying you could use the word ranking, student rankings.
Right, for example. So student ranking. There we go. So you can name it like that. And then you can also change the subheader text, update it whenever you take action. So it gives them an idea of what's happening here, right? Very briefly, this leaderboard is updated when you take action. That makes sense to me, so I will leave it as it is. And here, as you can see, the type of leaderboard points, you have only two options. The XP points, or you can track the XXPs. Remember, XXPs are completely optional paths that your students can take. So these are not mandatory points that they have to earn. These are optional points that they can earn. So you can select each one of them. If you wanted to have, for example, XPs and XXPs, you can create two leaderboards, and one makes it for the XPs and the other one for the XSP, for example. You don't have other customization options like the other blocks, like changing the background or the color of these blocks. You can't do that for now. Like I said, this is the first version, but this is very useful for creating that sense of competition, right? I will show you, I have only one course that has students, and that is the Experienceify Quick Start course that you went through. So I will go to my XP course, and then I will go to my step number 4, and I will put the leaderboard in the home page. So this is the prep course that you went through. I will simply click and drag my leaderboard here at the very bottom. There we go. It looks like this. As you can see, it says sample student, sample student. I will click on save changes. And then let's take a look at the preview. As you can see, it shows how many points these people earn. These are real people, right? So I only have one person who collected more than 26 points today. In the second place, I have 2 people, Dewey, Natalie, and Kelly, completed more than 1 point. And then on the third place, 0 people, sorry, this many people completed 0 points today, right? So they appear at the top. And then in the total XPs of all time, as you can see, I have more than 110 people who completed the 28 points that I give for this course. In the second place, I have 11 people who completed 27 points. And on the third place, I have 2 people who completed 25 points, and so on. So this is actually real people. This is what your leaderboards could look like. And yeah, they're really fun. Honestly, this is something that a lot of people have been asking for, and it's a really good first approach to these leaderboards. It's really easy to use. And do you have any questions about how to put your leaderboards?
I have a question.
Yes, Peter.
The very first person, it says here,
Mm-hmm.
total all time, that 28,
Uh-huh.
right?
Mm-hmm.
The 110 others, what does that mean then?
These 110 others,
Yeah.
that means that not only Subathini completed 28 points, it means that 110 people also completed 28 points. So they are all in the first place, let's say.
Excellent. I got you. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Great. So it's really, really easy to use. Remember, just click on save changes whenever you're ready to have your leaderboard. And that's the way that it works. It's really fun, really simple. And I'm really excited to be able to see the second version of this, because you will be able to track social points. You will be able to put some tags on on the leaderboards. So it will become a little bit more complex, and that's fun. But for now, it is what we have, and it's really useful. So I really hope that you implement this in your course and let us know how did it go, because it's fun. I will click on save changes and go back. And yeah, that was today's topic, basically leaderboards. I just wanted to show you how to use them in your course and, you know, like all the benefits that it might have. So awesome. Great. Now we can start the ask me anything kind of session. I know that Stacy has a lot of questions. So, or Ivy has a couple questions that are very specific. So yeah, please go ahead, Ivy.
I have like, thank you, Brenda. I actually have like, you suggested yesterday I should like, it's on our EMC, right?
Mhm.
You suggested that I should make another copy of EMC and compare our EMC to the template.
Mm-hmm.
And I actually did. That was very helpful. Thank you so much.
Yes, you're welcome.
So it's working fine, except that the introducing the offer block is still showing on the training one page, which is so weird. I've checked the tags. It's the same. So I'm not sure what's wrong.
Right. So, okay, I will just open my AMC. I will take a look at the blog. Where is this blog showing? In your homepage or in the single training?
In the home page. I think when I'm done in the no, not in the home page. I think on the training one. Single
Okay, single
training.
training. Okay. So you have to make sure that the block, okay, so when we go to edit content, the block visibility should be show this block always with people with tags, and the
Mhm.
tag should be the EMC completed, right?
Yes.
That should be there. So can you please share your screen and we can check if that's happening?
Yeah. Done. Let me share my screen. Share. Uh, share. So I'm a bit lost. Where do I go? Hold on.
Oh, wait, I'm reading your question and it says,
Here.
everything appears identical with the same tags, but the introducing the offer block is showing in training 1 instead of
Mhm.
training 3.
3.
The thing that happens is that this block will appear in every single one of the trainings, in the training 1, training 2, and training 3. But the only people who is able to watch this block is the people who completed the course. So not everyone is going to see it, only people who completed the whole course.
But there's like it's showing on training 1 and I can click on it. And I'm not finished yet with the 3 training videos.
But if it shows in the training 1, then it should show in the training 2 and 3 because we only have one page for the single training. It's only one page for all the trainings. So the tag should work the same in every single training. So let's see. Can you please share your screen and we will figure it out?
Okay. Right. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Here. Where should I go? Sorry.
Step number 4.
4.
Single training. There we go. Let's scroll down. So you don't have that trouble with the free bonus?
No. This
Okay.
shows when I'm done with the training 1.
Okay, great. With the training 2, right?
Training 2. Yeah.
So
Yes,
let's click in the second one in the edit content. And then block visibility. Right, the tag is fine. So when did you sign up as a student that you try this out? Or
Yeah.
how are you seeing that?
I signed as a student.
Okay,
So that this means that this block should actually show in the 3 trainings.
Yes, in the 3 trainings after
Okay.
someone completes the course.
which means on after training 3.
Where? Oh, which means after training 3. Yes, exactly. Once they complete the training number 3, it will show up to all your students in every page, in the single training and in the home page.
Wait, so when they finish training, what she's saying is she finished training 1
Mhm.
and that came up, but it shouldn't come up
Yes.
No,
until
it shouldn't.
chapter 3. So how do we fix the fact that it is
Yeah.
populating?
Okay, so can you close this one? And let's go to your steps.
Steps. Yeah.
Then please go to your students on the left side.
Students.
Find yourself. Is it Ivy?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go there to Ivy.
No, actually deleted. I used my husband's name. Yeah.
Oh,
So, but I think I could like sign up quickly.
yeah. You have to go to courses as Ivy.
Should
No,
I get the link?
No, in your students, you will get your magic link, so it's easy.
Okay.
Go to Ivy
Okay.
and then go courses. And then go to the 3 dots at the end. And no. Yeah, there. And then reset course points.
Reset. Okay.
Okay, there we go. And let's go back to the 3 dots. Copy magic link. And then open an incognito tab.
Should I use another?
Yeah, an
just
incognito one.
use
No, an
this.
incognito because that will open
Okay.
your, yeah.
I
an
think I'll just use another.
Okay.
Wait.
Great.
Oh.
So let's go to let's scroll down so it doesn't show
Mhm.
up. Let's click done it. Oh, wait. It's down there.
It was down there, yeah.
Yeah. Let me see. Scroll down.
Yes.
Yes, it is there.
Yeah, which is so weird.
So let's go back to your steps, sorry, or to the page builder.
Steps.
There.
No, I think here. Sorry.
Yeah, I think it was the other one. Okay. Then go to the
Here.
and to the step number 4 again.
Or cap
Homepage.
homepage.
Because we were editing the single training, not the homepage one. And then scroll down. More. And then there, edit content. Block visibility.
Look.
That's so weird.
Yeah, I was like going back and forth to them. So
Because
I'm not sure.
Yeah, we resetted your so maybe there's a bug going on with your account because you have the tag and it works for the other one, right? It works for the free bonus one.
Yes.
So there's definitely something going on there. AMC completed. It's 60, 22, 57. Okay, let's go back to the steps.
Steps. Cap.
And then go to your students.
Students.
Let me see. You have the 60 to. Yeah, there's only one. Yes. So I need you to please email support at experiencify.com because there's a bug going on with yours. Tell them what's exactly going on. Like you have the block activity set up with the right tag, but it still shows up in your homepage as a student. They need to fix that.
Okay. So I think there's like a glitch.
Yes,
we are
exactly.
doing the right thing, right? Everything's right.
Everything's fine. Yeah.
So I think that's what's missing on our EMC. Then it's good to go.
Okay.
And
I received. Sorry, I was going to say that I received some emails from your course because remember I signed up as a student.
Yeah.
You still need to change the emails because I'm receiving. Look. Let me
So
see.
that should be like filled in with the right text.
No, you need to edit the emails
Oh,
because look. Oh,
yeah, yes,
And
that's one of our.
I'm not receiving anything,
I am, and I received one today as well.
and I'm not for some reason.
Well, the good thing is that me as a student, I am receiving them, so it means that it works. But the thing is
Yep.
that you need
Yeah.
to edit the some text in the emails and check why Stacy is not getting them.
Yeah. Where do we need to go? Like,
To
is
do
it
what?
the email?
Oh, to the email, step number 5.
Done. Have a lot of open here.
There,
I'm not
yeah,
sure.
in the steps, there we go.
There. Back here, steps 5. Oh, here.
No, that's the celebrations. Down there in the experience engine, there's different emails going on. So when a user is added to the course and you click there in the very first one,
Oh, I thought this is like automatic, so we need
it is
to
automatic, but you need to edit some
fill
things.
in.
Yeah, so
Sorry.
clicking who should go down this path.
Okay.
And whenever you see an email icon, those are the emails that we are receiving as students. And you need to edit those. So open the get ready to or get ready for. There we go. That's the email that I received. But you need to replace a
Yes.
couple of things. For example, the benefit of your mini course, and the rest is fine, actually works. But you need to change this little text here with the benefit.
But it doesn't have your name either.
My name, yes, that's a token. The token will replace it with my name.
So the ones with the curly brackets, these are the texts
Those are
that
the
we don't,
tokens.
yeah, we don't need to.
Don't touch them
Don't
because
touch
that's
them.
how I messed
Yeah.
everything
Yeah.
up.
Yeah. They don't. You don't need to.
So
touch
what do
the-
I need to change here?
Yeah, the one that says replace with benefit of mini course. I know that it's confusing because it also has brackets. I will tell them to
Yes.
change that. You need to change that one with the benefit.
Also,
of
these
yours.
ones, these two,
Exactly.
these two only.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay, I actually have a question. So this supposed to be the same link, right? But when I click on this, it goes to the marketplace with our other course being offered. And this one goes to the right training video. And
That's
I'm not
weird
sure why.
because as a student, look, I will share my screen. This is the email that I received from you. Welcome to the Motivation Magnet Progress, blah, blah, blah. Right? You need to replace this text. But when I click here to watch my first training session, it actually takes me to the first training. Look.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. So it works.
Could you please, okay, could you please click on the second
The second one,
link?
yes.
Yes.
It should also take me to the same one. Yeah.
Weird. Mine goes to,
Really?
well, it works. Yeah.
Ivy, yours is doing what?
Mine is like, the other link is taking me to the Revive and Tribe course that we have, which we
Oh.
put in the marketplace.
Okay.
But seeing Brenda, like showing like the links
It
go to
works.
one place.
And
then
as you
it's
can see, it replaces mine with my email, with my, well, I don't have a password yet, but I need to change that. And here it also says, hey, Brenda. So that's the token working.
So we need to contact support with this issue as well, because it's obvious.
Let's open the email that you received, Ivy, to see what happens. Do you have it?
yes, I do.
Okay.
I want to try if I'm mistaken. Like, so weird. I need to share my screen, right?
Yes.
Hold on. I have a lot of things open. Okay. Sorry. So this is what I have. Oh,
Okay.
this is the other email that we received.
Yeah.
So it's there on the steps, right? That we just need to change the text.
Exactly.
This is
and
what-
this is
this is
from
what stays.
another course, because this, look, everything that says in this email is not about the expiring mini course. So you send this from another course that maybe you were testing on.
Oh,
Yes, but this is not the one for the expiring mini course. Like you were probably you were playing around with it and you sent this, but this is not the one for the expiring mini course. This is from another course. Maybe you used another template but this is
We
not the one.
definitely didn't change. We didn't edit any email.
Right, no, so
No,
because this is a
which is
template,
weird.
like a pre-written email from probably another template, but that's not from the expiring mini course at all.
That's
right.
weird.
We'll retry that. We'll forget that happened.
Hold on. Sorry. Here. Let me try.
Yes, that's the one with the expiring mini course. There we
Oh,
go.
it works.
Mhm.
That's weird.
And the other email has nothing to do with this. That's why you weren't able to click on the first training session. It
Mhm.
was probably an email from the other one that you mentioned. That's why it was taking you to that one.
It's actually the offer that we have that should show after the third video. But that's weird because we didn't edit any emails yet inside Experienceify or in the steps.
Right. Maybe it was just an automated email from. I'm not sure that that's from the expiring mini course. No, that was from another template. But it works. So the at least expiring mini course one works. You only need to change the benefit of the mini course, and
Could
that's
there
it.
be a trigger
Yes, it
sending that
happens.
email?
This happens automatically when someone is
Mm.
added to the course for the first time. As you can see in the experience engine, in the step number 5, you can click an update. Up there. No, up there.
Sorry.
It's okay. Update. And as you can see, all of these automations are happening when a user is added to this course. All of these. So there's many emails there that you need to edit a little bit. All of it works. Most of the text works, but you just need to tweak a couple things from each email.
Yeah, but what's weird is why that email is being sent, the other email.
Right. So
We're
as you
not
can see,
sure.
there are many other emails. So that's the first one. But if you scroll down, the other one is the warning. Today is the last day. What does the email say as the title? It says replace with something, right? It's definitely
Okay.
coming from a different template, not this one. Because all of these have titles, urgent, warning, all of them have these subjects. And the other one says replace. So that's from a different course, probably.
Mm,
Mhm.
she's weird. Also, can we my first question was
Sign up, can our students sign up in our EMC, but can we choose a later start date for them? So what do you mean? Like when they
like
sign
if
up,
they
you want
sign
them
up today, can we oh, we wanted them to start the course on Thursday. Can we do that?
like every Thursday or their
Not every
Thursday?
Thursday. Like the first time we launched this expiring mini course, like if we
Ah.
launch it on Monday, oh, we wanted them to start on Wednesday, so it ends on Friday. Would that be possible that we have a specific?
I would actually not want that.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you want them to immediately start?
Yeah,
I think
because
yeah.
then otherwise they'll forget about it.
Oh yeah.
Yes, that's the reason
Yes,
behind the
that's
expiring
better.
course. But to answer your question, it is possible, but for the expiring mini course, I don't recommend it. Maybe from a cohort-based course, yes,
Okay.
but not for the EMC.
Brenda, with that being said, I feel like, okay, if we have it timed so that they can't access the next training until the next day, I feel like people kind of fall out. What if they want to binge watch?
Your expiring mini course? They can.
They can.
Okay, they can do
Yeah.
it all in one day.
Yeah, all in one sitting.
Okay.
That's why binge mode is on.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Any other questions about this one? There's a bug going on with your blog, that's for sure. So please email support about that one. But other than that, is there anything else that remember to edit the emails? That's very important.
We need to figure out the other email. Could we also email support about that?
Sure, but I'm almost like a 99% sure that you sent that from another course, maybe that you were testing out. that didn't come from the expiring mini course template. I'm sure. But you
I would
can,
I would just re-sign myself up and then
Yeah.
see what happens. Yeah.
exactly,
Mhm.
yes, just reset her points, or add her again, so she has full access again, and yes, you can test that out. If you receive that email that says replace with something, then there's something going on and you can email support about it. But I am almost sure that it's not from this course.
Okay.
Okay, great. Any other questions about your EMC?
I think that would be all. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank
you're
you.
welcome.
I was very frustrated, so I
I
appreciate
know, no,
it.
but no, everything was fine. It was just a couple of things that you needed to tweak. And it was really useful that you created a new template and
Mm-hmm.
compared all the automations and everything. So I'm happy that that helped.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I have a question that it's not technical that I wasn't sure if you could answer. And maybe someone else has the same question. So when I first started with Experientify, I had a $29 membership.
Mhm.
And then in order to publish the course, I had to go on the growth plan, $99. So do I have two subscriptions?
No. You were switched from the 29 to the 99.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I understand now.
Yeah. Don't worry. It makes sense. Yeah.
Brenda,
Yes, Peter.
my question is related to what Stacy just spoke about.
Uh-huh.
For a while, I had this $9 subscription
Uh-huh.
that I had for quite a while. Nothing was going on. Then I got the sandbox. Then I eventually got the $29,
Launch Club.
whatever.
Mhm.
I noticed they stopped taking off the $9, which is fine because now I have a $29 subscription.
Mhm.
What happened to those items that were being held when I was paying the $9? Where did all of those courses or contents go?
Oh, they should be in your account. Because
Okay,
we
that's
don't
fine.
delete, yeah, we don't delete any content from anyone, even if
It
you
would-
don't pay. Yeah.
Okay, so it would have been migrated to the $29 start, whatever the term is, launch
The
program
Launch Club.
or course. Yes. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
good. Okay,
Awesome. Yes, everything should be there.
sounds good to me.
Awesome. Peter, do you have any other questions about your course or about anything technical?
Brenda, not right now, but trust me, they're coming on a lot
Yeah.
of them in another week or two. You probably don't even want to see me around next week this time, but they're coming. But thanks for asking.
Okay, great. Yes, I hope to see or to hear more from you next week. So
Yes.
if that was it, Stacy, Ivy, and Peter, if you don't have any other questions, then we are all free to go. And yes, I will upload this video in a couple hours and you will be able to watch them on YouTube. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Take
Thank
care.
you.
Have a
Bye-bye,
great rest of your
guys.
day.
Bye now.
Bye.